If you're someone who is almost finished your medical coding course, or maybe you are finished and you're getting ready to take the CPC exam, and you're studying for it right now, but you're also getting kind of worried about it, I put together a little workshop that could help you. In this workshop, I go over the process of elimination, which is a test-taking technique that will help you pass the CPC exam. There's a series of videos where I walk you through different coding examples. And then after that, there are practice coding questions. I included 210 practice coding questions. So that will give you tons of practice and help you prepare for the exam. You'll have access to it for 1 year after you purchase it. So even if the CPC exam is a couple of months down the line for you, you can buy it now and have it for later. It is $97, which is a really great deal, because there is a lot of information and a lot of knowledge that I'm sharing in this workshop. So just go to the link in my bio and click on the link that says Exam Strategy Workshop.